Don't judge me, even though I am better. Well, this is not Ireland, just saying. Alright. I'll rush you, then I'll kill you. Right, calm down, Charlie. No eating in my Christian Minecraft server. Oh god! Crap. Well, if I know how, then. Charlie? You said that last time and you shot me. Oh, I don't want to fight. Shot in the head. AFK, you say? AFK, you say? Oh, AFK. Oh, no, that's Charlie, my bad. Okay, can I reload my scar? But I have a text, hang on. Is that text? Oh, yeah, I got text from... Forgot her name. Haha! You cannot kill me. I am the bird's eye chicken man. No. Oh, God. Charlie. We can talk about this. Oh, too late. Oh, you try kill me first time when you said, oh, I don't want to fight, he says. Yeah, the screen recorder's making me slow, so I might die. That's no excuse saying I'm bad, because you know I'm better. And you know it. Yeah. Oh. Haha! I'm gonna pickaxe you. No, I was gonna pickaxe you. You're one shot with a pickaxe. No, I'll let you hit. Did you just try to kill yourself? There, Charlie. Yeah, I'm gonna start recording now.